Hi. Hi. Alrighty. I'm sort of ready to Opus Magnum. Gotta be honest, I'm not like super excited to jump into it like I have been for previous stuff, but I just want to make progress. So maybe the allure is fading for me finally. Okay. So basically, I thought of this the first time. I think these will alternate. But basically, I think I'll try and do one of these. I'll have two sides trying to do one of these, and then these components on either side will kind of alternate. And then I have one in the back feeding all this other crap too. So let's see how we do that. That's for that. Okay, so this will bond all that stuff. Maybe this gets pulled along a track. That's 1, 2, 3. I fucked this one up twice and had to restart from scratch. Yeah, it sounded like David was also having an issue with infinite builds. And to me, it sounds like the play with infinite stuff is to oh, it has to do. Oh no, that's right. That's right. So all I need is this connector. It sounds like the trick, at least in my opinion, with infinite builds is like finding the shape that you have to make, right? And once you can figure out what you have to make in that degree, for me at least, it's a lot easier to keep going. Dumbass, I'm smart, I swear, I believe you. You doing all right, Charles? Is work still okay? Oh, good. Um, okay. So basically, you have to grab there. Two. Let's delete this. Two will grab and extend. And let go and rescind. At this point, can you grab, or is that, I think that's a problem. Oh, it's not a problem. Oh, it's one. It's a problem. I'm just finding out more and more stuff and getting more and more mad. What stuff are you finding out? Like, things related to that situation, or there's just a bunch of shit happening all at once? Kind of unrelated. Oh no, I hope it's okay. Yeah. Oh my god, guys, I didn't unmute it. I'm so sorry. Dangus probably appreciated that if he's still lurking here. So you'll grab and go left. And release. I'll just tell you later, I don't want to clog chat. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry you gotta deal with so much shit. Please don't call me out. I don't mind if you clog chat. It's my stream. I decide the rules. Dangus, if you start streaming, I'll be a lot nicer to you. So basically 4. Grab. Wait, if you're extended, he can't even get into there. Sorry, excuse me. Yeah, no, infinite products. Hell yeah. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Four will grab, extend, and drop, or send. Oh, this could be an issue. We don't want anybody to get, like, grabbed. Maybe I put another block. So 1 will grab, rotate right, release. Or no, you want to do same sort of thing. Four will grab, rotate left, extend, right, drop. I think we'll have a big dude here on a track, because we fucking love tracks, dude. At what point? At this point, everybody's dropped. Can you grab there? And then move. Plus. And then move again. And move again. And then go back. It can't be that, though, because we have to do 2 cycles. I watched a review on Opus Magnum last night from the guy I like, and I would say he's probably a lot smarter than me, at least thinking about sorts of stuff like this. That's why I think I find him interesting. But just hearing how he talked about the game itself, like, again, with me, if I find something that works, I just don't think of a way to make it better. Not in terms of making, like, a more efficient product, but in terms of just, like, the gameplay itself. I don't try to make things, like, simpler for me, you know? And it seems like, like, the most efficient way to do this, because you only ever need, like, 6 products, depending on how that works. Depending on the product that you're making. Sometimes you have to do 2 different products, so it's technically 12, but whatever. You basically have to do 6 complete cycles of creating something. Sometimes it's more efficient to just create a finite amount of that, as opposed to creating an infinite solution, whereas every single puzzle I've created it in such a way that it completes 1 full cycle and then resets, so it's infinite. And I think Opus Magnum is designed to do that kind of by default, but the better solutions are not generally infinite ones, I think. So at this point, you can extend. Oh, that's 3, not 1. Let's get rid of that. At 1, try grabbing. So at this point, you can extend. At this point, I cry. Interesting. Do you actually think so? Release, minus, minus, minus. Yes. I'm glad you think so, Dingus. So you were on vacation all today, Dingus? Drop. I think that's just it for you. You can drop. We'll delete that. Yep. I don't know why this happens, but something always gets fucking deleted here. Like something that I don't want to delete. Yeah, I'm vacating all of this week and next week. Holy shit. Excited? How long is your trip going to be? Your visit? If you'll say. Okay, 3 at this point. Three can grab immediately, and at this point you can extend. Release, I think you're done. 4. What are you doing? Oh, wait a minute, I did this wrong. So instead of here, you have to go right after you grab, extend, and left, and drop. Okay, so that works out. Here, what are we working on? 4? You will grab, turn left, extend, and right. And drop. Actually, you'll go home. Here, you, what are you, 5? We'll grab. Go right, right, right. And then go home. I think that's it. Or did I do this horribly wrong? Oh, I fucked it up. Oh, shit. So it should be red. I forgot that that already did that correctly. Oops, that's awkward. So yeah, just extend and drop, dude. I think that's it. 4 days in nut? Hell yeah. You excited? There, that was a simple solution, guys. Right? Did that work correctly? See, right now, basically, I have a ton of extra wasted space. You see all these... I'm pointing. You see all the space that I'm wasting here. If I hard-coded this, it would work out better. You did it the exact same way? Hell yeah, dude. Spend a bit more extra money. Watch this, though. Basically, if I start him 1, 2, 3, watch this. Well, actually, I was thinking maybe this won't work. But maybe it will. No, I don't think that works. I am excited. Well, I'm glad you're excited, Dangy. Guys excited for Monster Hunter Monday next week? How did you find Monster Hunter Monday this week? Yeah, that didn't improve anything. Anyway, moving on. Literally did nothing. Basically, this should be reversing while other things are still moving. I don't know why this happens. I guess there's just a pause at some point regardless. Makes sense, whatever. Oops, go away, please. Oh, I gotta save the GIF. It's awkward. I haven't really been paying attention. I've been doing other stuff. I'm so sorry. I don't think you are, Dingus. But I would have appreciated if you would have done your Dingus special and lied just then. So. Is anybody having any fun dinner tonight? Dingus, what are you putting in your stir fry? I think I'm gonna reheat my leftover roast. So that's exciting. I recorded the GIF. You're putting tacos? Hell yeah, I definitely want to try and have like a fajita night soon. Got me tofu spicy nudes? Hell yeah, the ones you posted that you've perfected. Sorry for not lying. Soba noodles. Yakisoba. Unstable compound. Ah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So each of these should be responsible for 5 things. Maybe fajita is closer to it. I use soft bread and soy mince. Again, I don't know the difference between all the different, like taco, burrito, soft taco, fajita. Don't know the difference. Don't know the difference. They're all incredibly similar. I don't think I've ever had a true, like, burrito before. Well, like, I purchased the burritos, and that's true. But they're just kind of, like, closed. I very rarely have burritos like that, I would say. Same. So we've got to use this shit. Let's have one gripper. All you do is grab, rotate, and draw. You will... Here, you will grab, push, drop. Okay, why? What's going on here? Push, drop, rescind. We will have a third gripper who will move from here to here. Here. And you will go to the right. Wait, does that work? What happens if you guys repeat? Yeah. So we need a bit of rotational action happening here. Really want to try authentic burrito and taco and gyros. I really want to try authentic burrito and taco and gyros. Yeah, guys? Okay. We a bit excited for that then? If I can do this puzzle today, I will be happy. Drop it. You grab and go rotate left and drop. Meanwhile, you go back and grab, rotate, drop. 2 will go right. He'll grab at this point. You'll go left again. I really want to try authentic gyros and burrito and taco. Yeah, John? You too? Rotate, rotate. Rotate. Go back home, grab another one, come back. Nope. Wait a sec. I'm not even creating this correctly. Okay. Let's think about this. Let's stink about this. I think we'll just like create the first shape. So grab, extend, drop. Close it out. You said, what if you guys repeat? And I thought you meant me repeating my message. Out of 10, Dingus. Out of 10. At this point, you will grab, and you will rotate, and you will drop, and then you will return. You will rescind and grab. And drop. Okay, so we got the first one. Let's go ahead and do this a second time. Grab, forward, drop, rescind. You will go back, grab, forward, drop. Two, Tava. Understand it better now, Dingy? Yes, I'm monolingual. Is that how you say two in Swedish? And my shoulders and neck are so tight. Are you taking the piss right now? I feel like... Do you just take all of Scholz's symptoms and you're like, oh, I have that too. Is that how pick-me you're getting, Dingus? Is that how pick-me you're getting? On this one, we'll rotate before we do this. Oh, shit. No, rotate the object, you moron. You need to get it fixed. Faz, how you say it. I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm just an empath. I absorb negative energy. That's true. Actually, you won't go back. And you won't get rid of that. Here. Can you rotate now? Or is that bad to do? Rotate, rotate. You go back, you go grab, you go forward. You get rid of that shit, and you keep rotating. 1, 2, 3. Can I do multiple of these, man? What's the problem there? You know some Swedish? Tavo is how you say it. I'm using a Hitachi magic wand on it. Okay. Well done knowing Swedish, Shoals. Why do you rotate more than I want you to at awkward times, dude? No, this will not work how I want it to, so fuck off. Okay. So they all start with the red bond, right? Gray bond. So they all have the red bond, that's fine. So now we rotate. Let's go minus. Or plus, sorry. So we got here. Rotate, boom. Let's go. So do a rotation here. And then plus, and then minus. Rotate, rotate, rotate. Plus and minus. Actually, just a plus. I just heard thunder. Oh. It's still pretty fucking bright out there, but it looks like it could happen. So I have 1 silver, 3 reds. 2 silver, 3 reds. 1 silver. 1 gold, 2 silver, 3 reds. Complete. Complete. One, two. Yes. Okay, so it's complete here. Then just continue down the track, I suppose. Or actually, at this point, I'm now deciding, instead of having 1 arm on a big long track, I think give it to another thing. You know, some Turkish too. IKEA furniture doesn't count. I know random shit from random languages. Yeah. Oh! But you've been to all these places, right? You've been to Turkey, haven't you? Yeah, a few times. I'm like so cultured, actually. Yeah, John? Let's hear it. I guess that's why. I mean, it's like even for me, I mean, I've said this before, but just to like harp on it a little bit more. I could travel like to a different state and it would take the same amount of time for somebody else to travel to a different country in Europe, a different European to travel to a different European country in Europe. And I would have literally the exact same McDonald's, the exact same everything. I might have a different fast food chain at most. Whereas in Europe, you could have a completely different language. And just everything is wildly different. You know, 4 hours away. I already forgot, is it Tivo? I barely know English, same Jackie. What the fuck? Trey. Vira, fem. I won't say 6 because I'm a Christian. What's 6? Is it sex? Is sex an automod word? You guys are shit today. So what happens if we make you go down? You'd have to go down 1 additional. Okay, so what are we looking at here? This whole time I needed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Check this out. Okay. So you have to be somewhere like here. And you have to be on a track. Guys, what do we love? Tracks. Are these called tracks? Tracks. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to load this bad boy up. It can't be here. It has to be like here. Okay, check this out. Are we ready? Are we fucking ready? I think, let me look at this. I think it's more efficient. Maybe not. I was going to say maybe it's better. For these, I have to do this motion. So grab, right, drop, left. But I think it's the same even if I have a pusher. So it's just a waste of money. That barely works. Holy crap. Don't say it, hussy. Nuke the VOD. What's the word, dangies? 1 to tree, whore. 1, 2, tree, whore, 5, 6. Jackie, you're going to HE double hockey sticks, dude. I think I still might remember how to count in Spanish. But I don't remember, there's like 2 ways that you can start to count after a certain amount of time. Like you can say 22 or you can say like 20 and 2. I don't remember how it works. But I only know like one way to say it and then I don't remember how to count above 100. Yes, sex is the word. I believe you said that before actually. Is there? Yeah, there's, I don't remember, but there's like, I can't remember, because there's only one way I think you can count like 11 through 19, which I don't even remember. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, ocho, siete, no, what? Ocho, what? Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez. So you have to say DSE uno, DSE dos. I always get to 16, start counting in Turkish. Counting in French is the worst thing all time. No. What word got auto-modded there? Yes. There's a secret trick to help you remember stuff that you forgot, and that's just to make stuff up. Anyway, I gotta do this fucking puzzle, you weirdos. I'm not cultured and there's nothing else I can do. Okay, so watch this. 5 will grab, go right, drop. 4 will then grab here. You also got to go left. Okay. Drop left. So here, can you grab and rotate, or does that kill shit? Rotate, drop. Wait, you don't even need to drop, dude. No, you do need to drop. So here, who is where? 5 is already ready to go. Can you grab here? So on this one, can you turn? Oh, what a moron. Hell yeah, drop it. Can you grab there? Nope, you can't. You go right. Drop left. 22 dos. That's just 2 John. It's like venti dos, venti trace, but there's another way and I can't remember how to do it. 27, 28, 29, 30, I believe. I don't even know. I think this might have a problem. I'm going to try rotating this just to see what happens. Oh. Okay, that works. Cool. That was 5. 5 let go. 4 moves over. Let's go. So here, you can do that. Rotate, rotate, and drop. So here, you will grab, rotate, relinquish, left. No! Sorry, I'm sorry. Relinquish, drop. 5, we'll grab, where? Here? No, you gotta go home first. And then let go. Okie doke, I gotta go sort and cook dinner. Thanks for stopping by, Shoals. I hope dinner goes well. Have a good rest of your day. Pick up. Rotate, rotate. Or just rotate once, right? Let's do another track. Give Tofu my best. LOL. Well, that's awkward. Oh, Scheisse. You need to rotate. Oh, shit. I didn't know it would be that simple. Can I rotate again? No, can't. Back, how's the Opus Magnusing? It's Magnusing, Fluffy. How are you doing? Hopefully still good. No, don't turn for no reason. You need to turn. Okay, so back one more. I'd rotate you in my mind if I could. Okay. I'm good. Food delicious. What did you get to eat? I love the thunder. Do, 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 do. 5? You need to fuck off, dude. Okay, 5 at this point. You go minus. Gonna lie down and massage me neck. Good luck, Dangus. Hope your pain subsides. Let's go plus plus. Nope. Oh, that's awkward. So you need to pull up. Rotate. And at this time you need to grab and rotate and let go. And then you rotate to the left. What the hell? That's pretty inefficient, I feel like. And I end again with another fucking thing. I wonder if I could, no. I don't remember what I was gonna say. Not too shabby, I would say. Cost a fuck ton of money, though. I know this is probably when Seb started giving up. He said he just didn't give a fuck at one point, just wanted to complete the puzzles. So probably like have everything working in parts, so a lot of cost, but not trying to make it efficient, like fast. Company money over here still the cheapest. Yeah, and it shows, Jackie. No, that's actually really good though. It's insane. I always I did like being the absolute cheapest build. But yeah. You're the cheapest and you're not the slowest, so very good, very good. I think I'm gonna call it there, but I want to see what curious lipstick is, because I forgot. Oh yeah, the glyph of disposal. Yep, so this one's gonna be tons of fun. Excuse me, but yeah, I am calling it there for today. Only a few more. Excuse me. Puzzles left in the story, it seems. I don't know when I'll do Opus Magnum. I don't want to do it after every game every day. I mean, I could have a puzzle game that I do after every sesh, but I'm not going to do. I'm just checking because on OBS it says I'm still in Monster Hunter, so just want to make sure I wasn't. I remembered to record today, so I have a local recording. That's fantastic. That'll save me a lot of time. But yeah, I'm happy. I hope it was fun to watch Monster Hunter again. I made a lot of progress on that. I think there's 5 tiers of quests, so 5 stars. And then there's an urgent quest category that's basically once you beat the game, the urgent quest is full of a bunch of higher than 5-star quests. And I'd like to do all those on stream. But basically, we knocked out the first 2-star quests today, so next week on Monday, I'll start 3-star quests. Technically, we already did 1 because that's what the urgent quest was, but whatever. And we'll do Monster Hunter Mondays until we finish Monster Hunter, and then we'll replace that with some other game. But tomorrow, I will pick out. I think I'll pick out an RPG to play, because the whole point of doing Monster Hunter just on Mondays was that I'll have a bit of variety, and then the other times that I stream, I can stream the same thing and just make a lot of progress, hopefully, in an RPG, a longer RPG. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Had a bunch of fun today. Thanks. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thanks everybody for coming by. Thanks everybody for chatting. Thanks everybody for lurking. I had the crazy new viewer who gifted a sub. That was amazing. Bum 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 bum. I don't know where I want to go. Aries just started stream. I'm actually gonna go raid him because I've never raided him before. I have met Aries. I don't even know if I've had a conversation with him though. That was at the Twitch con where everybody was walking and drinking. Man, was that night? That might have been the first night. So that was the night. If Aries had stuck with us, I wouldn't have even been able to talk to him. So that's a lot of fun. Anyway, let's go there. And he's got such a complex name. Gotta make sure it's correct. I think that's right. So yeah, gonna drop you guys off at Aries. Thanks again for coming to stream today. Thanks again for watching, chatting, subs, any follows. Appreciate it, appreciate it, appreciate it. Tomorrow's a big long RPG, starting a big long RPG, and we'll be playing that until we finish it. Probably doing the same games for Tuesdays and Wednesdays, And then if you want more Monster Hunter's coming back next Monday. And we'll do Monster Hunter on Mondays. Thanks again, guys. Let me get the flip out of here. You know what I'm saying? And let's end with Demon Souls again. Alright, see you guys tomorrow.